The next topic we're going to talk about is the measurement of the QT interval. And I'm doing my best to get this all into view for you, but since I am not a professional video person, it is as good as it gets. So you can see up in lead 2 here that I've drawn in little marks to indicate where the red, big thick red lines are, or your large boxes, so that when you're looking at this EKG, you have a framework since they're difficult to see. So to measure our QT interval, what is a normal QT interval? What we're going to do is measure from here to here, QRS, or R wave to R wave, our interval. And then we're going to count how many boxes it is, which I can see that it is 5. One big box, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 5 is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 boxes. So for my QT interval to be normal, it has to be 14 to 15 boxes. So remember, to measure the QT, what you're going to do is from the first downward of the Q, RS, to the end of the T. It's difficult to do right here, like this. Alrighty, there we go. And now we're going to count that, and we have, oh, perfect, 10 boxes. So I could do it right here. 10 boxes. So my QT interval is normal because it can be no longer than 14 to 15 boxes, and my QT interval is 10. So we're good on that. So again, the QT interval, to measure it, you measure from R to R, which we did, which was between this and this. Half the distance, which is half the boxes, came out with, because it was 29 boxes, 14 and a half. And then we measured from the beginning of the QRS through the end of the T wave, which is right here, and we came up with 10 boxes. It can be 14, between 14 and 15. We were at 10, so we have a normal QT interval. QT intervals are very important because of medications that affect the QT interval, and we'll talk more about those as we go on.